Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to stabilize shaky videos in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, add your shaky clip to the timeline. This method works great for handheld footage. Now with your clip selected, go to Inspector, Stabilization to access the settings. Choose the similarity mode and hit stabilize. This will reduce the camera shake while keeping the frame natural. As you can see, the footage is smoother, but there might be still some minor wobbling. If you want to remove all the movement, check the camera lock and restabilize. This will completely freeze the camera motion. Now that the camera is locked in place, but you'll notice that the frame is highly zoomed in. This happens because DaVinci Resolve crops the edges to stabilize the footage. And that's how you stabilize the shaky videos in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.